In this video, I'll show you how to enable Gmail notifications on iPhone. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Notifications. Now scroll through the list of apps and tap Gmail. Make sure Allow Notifications is turned on. You can also choose where you want the notifications to appear, for example on the lock screen, in Notification Center, or as banners at the top of the screen. You may also want to turn on sounds and badges so you can hear alerts and see the unread number on the Gmail app. Now go back to your home screen and open the Gmail app. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner, scroll down and tap Settings. If you have more than one Gmail account, tap the account you want to change. Now look for the Notifications section. Tap Email Notifications. Choose the notification level you want. If you want to be notified for every new email, choose All New Email. If you only want alerts for important emails, choose High Priority Only. Once that's selected, Gmail notifications should now be enabled on your iPhone. If notifications still don't appear, check that Focus Mode or Do Not Disturb is turned off. You can also check that Background App Refresh is enabled for Gmail. To do that, open iPhone Settings, go to General, tap Background App Refresh, then make sure Gmail's turned on. And that's it. You've now enabled Gmail notifications on iPhone.